Want to know how to implement a counting game with loops and conditions? So in the previous video, we had also made a simple counting game. We can watch it. But in this video, we are going to make it through loops and conditions. So it's similar to the previous one. It's a fun counting game inspired by Fizzbuzz. We loop it from 1 to 15 for right here. And inside that loop, we have an else if statement. So if a number is divisible by 3, we print fizz, and if number is divisible by 5, we print buzz, and if it's neither, we just print the simple number. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This simple game helps you practice loops, conditionals, and logic thinking. You can even extend it by combining conditions like printing fizz buzz when it is divisible by both 5 and 3. It's a classic beginner exercise, but it's really effective for understanding how loops and if-else conditions work together in Java. So I'm just going to show how this code runs up, and there you go, super simple and easy. So the ones that are divisible by 3 or 5 can be written as fizz or buzz. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.